What is up, vlog? It is the day after last. I am going down to the beach to take some photos and maybe some videos of some surfers. It's pretty good today, about head high and offshore, probably super crowded. Gonna make for some good shots. Before we head out, I'm gonna unbox these headphones because I found that I really like to listen to music while I'm shooting. So I bought these studio on-ear headphones. But I've had headphones like this before. Some like really nice headphones. These aren't like super top grade, but I had like a real top grade one before that I won in a dancing competition. Long story. But I ended up losing those headphones. And so I really want some nice headphones. Some headphones that'll block out the noise, like these. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got little headphones. Oh, they're like, I didn't realize they were like this. This is kind of cool. Made it down to the spot. It's an absolute zoo down here. It was kind of hard to find parking. Got a matcha latte. These are pretty strong. Like, I've had some matcha lattes in America, and I feel like they're just not really that strong. The Dunkin' one is strong. They hook it up. Let's try it. Gotta get that stuff on the bottom, you know what I'm saying? You guys may notice that I drink tea a lot. I like drinking a lot because it gives me a different feeling than coffee does. Do you guys find that at all? There's some different chemicals in tea compared to in coffee. There's L-theanine, and that's what I like about tea, is like the mixture of the caffeine and L-theanine. Makes me feel like super focused, and we need that focus to get the shot. You can make it. It looks like that section right there. It's like, yeah. Alright guys, so here's the situation. My phone died when I was sleeping last night. I'm supposed to go meet my friends to surf. So I scrambled out the door, got some matcha. My knee is still kind of not 100%, and it's about 15 degrees colder today and raining. My knee is a little stiff, so hopefully I can get out there. Let's go check it out first. Oh, it's on. It is freaking on. Alrighty, I just made it back from the surf with my little puppy in her puppy bed. Hi. And I'm just gonna ice my knee. Been trying to stay on top of it. It was definitely more stiff today with this colder weather. So hopefully it will feel good in a little bit and I can keep on my way on the road to recovery. It's working just fine.